Your Nissan Altima key fob uses a split case design for easy access. First, locate the release button on the side or back of the fob. Press and hold this button to release the key from the fob. Once the key is removed, you'll see a seam running along the length of the fob. Use a plastic opening tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the two halves apart. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic casing, especially on older models. For stubborn cases, wiggle the tool along the seam. With the fob open, you'll see the battery. Most Altima fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Note the battery's orientation side up before removing it. Use a small non-metallic tool to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Align the two halves of the fob case and snap them back together. You should hear a click, indicating a secure closure. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the case is fully closed. If problems persist, consult your Nissan owner's manual or a professional. Remember to recycle the old battery properly. Modern fobs 2020 Plus may require resyncing with Nissan Connect for remote start features.